Okay, now in today's lecture, I am going to just equip way, I'm going to give you, understood, an idea about what is development. And this chapter, is from your economics book, meant for the students of class 10 CBSE. Understood? In this chapter, development, if you look at the word development, the first thing that comes to your mind is the improvement of someone. If you look at the improvement of a person, it will be the improvement of who you were, understood, yesterday and who you have become today. If you look at the improvement of the surroundings that you live in as an individual, understood, then it is what it was yesterday and what it is today, understood. There is a comparison between what your place was during your father's childhood and what it has become when you are a student, school going student, understood, school going or college going student, understood. So changes always take place. Like, it is believed that a part of the sun disintegrated and it took thousands of years to cool down, and then there came water, understood, and it is because of water, human beings or living beings can live if there is water. As we all know that you might have read in your physics book that if you look at the composition of water, one atom of oxygen and two atoms of hydrogen make up water. It means where there is water, it is possible for human beings to exist, isn't it? This is how we began our life. But what our history book tells us is that we, as human beings, began to live first of all in the forest. We used to live like animals in the forest. We were hunter-gatherers. We migrated from one place to another. Like if you look at the Discovery channels, or if you watch Discovery channels, it shows us animals migrating from one country to another, from Namibia to Tanzania. Whenever, if there is rainfall, and all the animals will go to safer places where there is no rainfall, isn't it? This is how we also lived as human beings, isn't it? And what happened? With the passage of time, everything changed. We began to live in the caves, understood. Then we learned how to make fire, understood. With every passing day, humans, initially our brain was as dormant as those of the animals. Even it had some use, but with the passage of time, it improved. We began to make proper use of our brains, and even the ability of the brains improved. Understood? With the passage of time, we have learned how to save ourselves either from fire or from animals. Understood? And that was the reason why we began to, from forest, we began to live in the caves. And after we have lived thousands of years in the caves, we have come out of the caves and we built ourselves houses where we felt safer. We protected ourselves from rainfall. What are these all about? When I am talking about how we began our life, what am I trying to say? All I am trying to say is we have seen developments. When people lived in the forest, understood, they felt lost and lonely, isn't it? They felt as if they were fish out of water. They felt like fish out of water because they felt lost and lonely. They were suffering from insecurity. They were living in need of security. And what did the animals do? Animals might have attacked them, might have eaten them, understood. And we lived with half of our people eaten every year by animals. But with the passage of time, we succeeded in saving ourselves. And the number of people killed by animals lessened, because with the passage of time we used our brains. As a result, we succeeded in saving ourselves. I'm talking about our ancestors. Understood? And then we went to live in the caves. We might have made some doors and nobody could enter, no animals could enter. This is how we saved ourselves, either from rain or storm, understood, or natural disaster. Do you get it? After that, what are these? When you migrate, when you start living in the caves, this is a kind of a development of the environment that we lived in. When we have learned how to make proper use of brains, this is the development of the brains. After that, we made ourselves in modern society. We first of all we made wheels, and then came science. We have made some discoveries, understood, and with this is how we began living like modern citizens. Do you get it? And in what do you see in the modern world? We feel secure. Now, when you discover something, why do you do that? The reason, the discoveries help us to live our life with happiness. It is a better way of living, isn't it? Secure. What does development give us? It guarantees our security, safety. Understood? And apart from that, we have discovered many things, and it made our life easy. We began to live in forest, and nowadays, in the past, what happened? In the ancient times, our ancestors lived in the forest, and they used to feel insecure because, be it nature, be it animals, made their life hell, isn't it? They didn't know when it would rain, when there will be flood, isn't it? Earthquakes or something like that. They used to depend on the nature. Understood? They believed, depended on some hidden powers to save them. And nowadays, man has become the master of his own life. When we have invented so many things, we have become the master of our own life. Now, we can dominate over the world. We can, others are dominated by human beings. Now, we have gone down to the depth of the sea. We have climbed up to the top of the Mount Everest, isn't it? We have succeeded in going to the ship. We have succeeded in going to the space. We have succeeded in doing a large number of things. And we have beautified our life. Now, nothing is away from you. Everything is only a click away. If you need some information about what is the modern things that you are in need of, you just use your phone. And you can buy it online. Isn't it? So what is this? Why have you done all this? Development. Everything is a click away. What does it mean? Nothing is impossible. What does it mean? Development. What does development do then? Development reduces what? The hardships, the pains, the sufferings that our forefathers had undertaken. And they wanted to live a decent life, a carefree life, easy life, a happy life. And happy life can be possible only if we achieve our goals. What are the goals? Goals can be different. A goal of a person can be the reasons of the suffering of another person. You might have read a story, there were some boys playing near a pond, and there were some, what is the frogs used to live in that pond. What happened? Those boys started throwing stones at the pond, and now one of the old frog said to the boys, "Don't throw stone at us." Then the boys said, "Why do you want us not to throw stone at you?" Understood? It's a fun. If I throw stone at you, I enjoy throwing stone at you, and it gives us a lot of fun. Then the old frog said to the boys, what is fun to you is death to us. Understood? So do you want to gift us death as a result of what? You're having fun. So, you don't do that. Similarly, suppose in the name of development, what are you doing? You are, using what? Petrol, diesel, understood? And you are, when you pollute the air that we breathe in, understood? What happens? The duration of our life gets shortened, right or not? Is this a good thing? Is this development? Development guarantees safety and security, a good life. Is it why we have been working for thousands of years? Is it a gift of modern science? Is it a gift of modern life? No. And sometimes we end up polluting the ground that we walk on. How? Sometimes you dump many, unwanted things, use vegetable scraps and all, you throw away. And as a result, the street in front of your house is polluted. The ground that you walk on is polluted. What happened? Is this development? Can you call it development? No. Similarly, the water that we understood drink is also being polluted. Sometimes oil tankers, big ships, clean their tank at sea. What happens as a result of it? The marine life gets affected. Understood? So how can we dream of a beautiful world? A beautiful world is possible only if we do not pollute the air that we breathe in, the ground that we walk on, and the water that we drink. So, your development shouldn't come in the way of others. Understood? Sorrows. You develop, but your development should not affect others. And overall development can be possible if the country, understood, wants all-round development, then there should be development in the lives of all the people. Development should reach each and every one in the society, irrespective of caste, community, race, language, understood? Be they, Muslim, Hindu, Parsi, Marathi, Gujarati, understood? All Bengalis, all should get benefited. Understood? When a country can be strong only when we have the opportunities given, equal opportunities given to all the people living in the society, equal opportunities. When the country sees all the people living in it as equal, understood? That country will be the strongest country in the world. That country will never ever be divided or separated in the name of race, religion, understood? Culture, language. That country will be the strongest country of the world. That will be a kind of development. So, development depends on perception, how you perceive something. So, development lies in everything. Isn't it very clear to us? Then, if you look at agriculture, if you bring, latest machines that are used to cultivate your land, what will happen? There will be more crops.
Yes.
Can that be called development? Yes. Our farmers will benefit if the foreign tractors and machines are used. Understood? And then what will happen? The number of laborers we used to engage will lessen. That will not be a development for them. Ultimately, a section of the society will suffer. So, if the government of our country does anything for the development, the government has to look at all the what? Look at all the problems. Look at the possibilities of the changes that will be brought about as a result of the addition of new technologies. It is good. It is good to have technologies in our life, but at the same time, we have to understand the impact of the technology. Then only can the development be a part of our life. Do you get it? This is how we can invite, understood, or welcome development in our life. Did you get me what I'm telling you? So this is how everything happen in a country like that. In a country, be it India, Bangladesh, whatever, isn't it? Any country in the world. And then, if you look at the per capita income or GDP depends on various things. Understood? What, the income of the people, citizen, at the same time, the mineral resources. Like the economy of America is stronger than that of India. Why? It is because of what? Development and the development and the valuables, the assets, understood, mineral resources and human resource development. Whatever things done in that field. Do you get it? That is how GDP is actually studied. But we want our country to do well in all the fields, and for all round development of the country, for all round for safety, security and happiness of the country, understood, we need a development that can be accepted by or welcomed by one and all. By all, do something. So the government has to do things with all these things in mind. That's how the development can reach every home. Look at the water supply. Even in the rural villages, these days water began to be supplied. Why? Just to let the people living in the villages taste the what? Development. Taste what is development. Even in cities, water reach our home through pipes, water pipes. Similarly, the government of India and the state governments have decided to supply water to every home, be it village or town. Understood? Electricity. Electricity is also being supplied. Subsidized gases. What are these? All these are parts of development. Something that reduces the pain that your forefathers experienced. Have I been able to give you a idea about what is development?
Yes.
Do you think it very difficult?
No.
Am I fit to teach you economics?
Yes.
But I am a teacher of English language. I am here to teach you only English. This is the first lecture, understood, of a subject that I am not supposed to teach. Anyway, as you wanted me to help you, I hope you must share this video with all your friends if you want me to be popular among people, understood, all over the country and with all the friends you have in your school. Thank you very much. That's all today.